No, you're not a groundhog. I know I'm a right.
Groundhog Day and Possum Night by Tom Tittle. Every year on February 2nd, a groundhog named Punxsutawney Phil comes out of his burrow. Phil is so important, he's treated like a king. If he sees his shadow, we'll have 6 more weeks of winter. If he doesn't see his shadow, winter is over and spring is here. But one year, an imposter showed up. That made Phil angry. He didn't like sharing the limelight.
You ain't really a groundhog out in the light. No, you're not a groundhog. I know I'm a right. You ain't nothing but a possum who only comes out at night. You think you can predict when it will be spring. I know you can't predict when it will be spring. You ain't nothing but a possum who only comes out at night.
Poor Possum. He was so sad. All he wanted to do was be part of the fun.
Night creatures never get to share in the fun,
said Possum sadly. Phil was sorry that he had hurt Possum's feelings. So Phil thought for a minute. Then he said,
Possum is right. This isn't fair to the night animals who sleep during the day. So from now on, we're going to call February 2nd Groundhog Day and Possum Night.
Hooray! Yelled the night owl. Clap, 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 the bat applauded with its wings. All right, said the raccoon.
You're so kind and wise,
Possum said to Phil.
Why do you think they call me the king?
Said Phil with a wink.